Today's word is there. T-H-E-R-E. There. Can you say it? There. Fantastic. There means in that place. Listen. Look over there. The ball is there. My friend is standing there. Say it with me. There.